Today we're going to take a closer look at a crucial skill for emotional regulation, recognizing and labeling the emotions accurately. By expanding our emotional vocabulary, we can better understand our feelings and respond to them in healthier, more helpful ways. Beyond happy and sad, we often rely on broad terms like happy or sad to describe our feelings. But you know what the truth is? Our emotional world is far more complex and varied than these simple labels suggest. It's like using a basic paint set when you have a whole spectrum of colors available. Imagine you're looking at a breathtaking sunset. You might feel a sense of awe, wonder, peace, or nostalgia, all different shades of the same emotional hue. Similarly, sadness can range from mild disappointment to deep grief. We gain a deeper understanding of our emotional state by recognizing these subtle differences and can respond to it more effectively. For instance, if we identify that we are feeling resentful rather than just angry, we might be better able to avoid and address the root cause of that resentment. Growing your emotional vocabulary. Expanding your emotional vocabulary takes a lot of time and dedication. Here are a few key tips to get you started. Firstly, notice and name your emotions as they arise. Try to pinpoint the specific emotion you're experiencing rather than just labeling it as good or bad. If you're unsure, consider using a list of emotions or a feelings wheel as a guide. Once you have identified an emotion, brainstorm other words that describe similar feelings. For instance, instead of simply saying angry, you could use words like irritated, annoyed, frustrated, or enraged. This will help you develop a more precise understanding of your emotional state. The third strategy is to communicate with clarity. When sharing your feelings with others, use I feel statements rather than blameful language. For instance, instead of saying you made me angry, try saying I feel frustrated when you do that. This can help de-escalate the conflict and foster an open communication. Fourth strategy is to journal your feelings. Writing about your emotions can help you clarify your feelings and identify patterns in your emotional responses. Consider keeping a journal where you describe your emotions in detail using these specific words and phrases. Lastly, seek the feedback from trusted sources. Ask your close friends, family members, or therapists for their perspective on your emotional expression. They can offer the valuable insights and help you identify any areas where your self-awareness could grow. Building the emotional awareness is an ongoing process. It takes a lot of time, practice, and a willingness to explore the full spectrum of human emotions. But the rewards are well worth the effort. You'll unlock a greater sense of inner peace, resilience, and joy by mastering your emotions.